Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss National Green Tribunal. In 2010, the government enacted the National Green Tribunal Act, which enabled the creation of a special green tribunal that would handle the cases concerning environmental issues. The inspiration for this came from Article 21 of the Constitution of India, which guarantees the citizens of India a right to a clean and healthy environment. After the enactment of the National Green Tribunal Act, India became the third country in the world after New Zealand and Australia, which has special fast track courts and quasi judicial bodies that deal with environment related cases. Since its establishment, the National Green Tribunal has emerged as a powerful unit for the enforcement or implementation of environment legislation made in India. Further, the National Green Tribunal adds one more variation by providing a strict penalty for disregarding the orders given by the tribunal. Thus, the implementation of these judgments of the tribunal results in dealing with such cases in an effective manner as compared to other civil courts which used to deal with environmental lectures and issues as well. Now we'll discuss the functions of National Green Tribunal. There are three important objectives of the NGT: speedy and effective disposal of all the cases related to environmental protection and other natural resources. Its main aim is to legally enforce all the rights relating to the environment, and it accounts for providing compensation and justice to all the affected people in case of any damage.